Hello friends, I am 𝒑𝒐𝒔𝒊𝒕𝒊𝒃. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this, and I request the viewers, if you are not a subscriber, you can subscribe so that you can watch the solution of many challenging questions. Today's question from number theory: solve 9 times of x square plus y square plus 1 plus 2 times of 3xy plus 2 equals to 2005. So let me open this bracket. It will be 9x square plus 9y square plus 9 plus 6 times of xy plus 4 equals to 2005. Or I'll take the numbers outside and I'll make 9x square plus 6xy to complete a square. I'm getting y square separately and 8y square. That means I broke this 9y square as y square plus 8y square equals to 2005 minus 13. It will be 1992. So next term I'm getting 3x plus y whole square equals to 1992 minus 8y square. Or 3x plus y whole square equals to, taking 4 common, I'm getting 498 minus 2y square. So next I'll apply the number theory to get the value of x and y. So here 3x plus y, or left hand side square, is a perfect square. This implies that RHS must be a perfect square. So 498 minus 2y square is to be a perfect square. That means 498 minus 2y square must be greater than equals to 0, because already 4 is a square. Or 2y square is less than 498, or y square is less than equals to 249. And since to make this a square, y square is less than 249, that means y should be less than equals to 15, because 15 square equals to 225 and 16 square equals to 256. Next 3x plus y whole square is a perfect square. That means this is congruent to 0 modulo 4, because any square, either it is congruent to 0 modulo 4 or 1 modulo 4. That means when it is divided by 4, either it leaves 0 remainder or it leaves 1 remainder. But you will see the right side, RHS 498 minus 2y square, since it is the 4 multiple, this is congruent to 0 modulo 4. So we'll take this one. So 3x plus y square is congruent to 0 modulo 4. That means 3x plus y is congruent to your 0 modulo 4. That means 3x plus y is even number. Now the sum of two numbers is even. That means 3x and y are at same parity. That means if one is even, other is even. If one is odd, other is odd. Now coming to 3x is always odd. Whether x is even or odd. This implies that y is odd. Y is odd and y is less than equals to 15, then we are getting y may be 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Sorry, there is a 9 also here. 11 and 13, 15. So to get again verification with the number, we'll take 498 minus 2y square is to be a perfect square. That means 1, 3, 5, 9, 13, 15 all are rejected. As value of y, because when we substitute the value, we don't get your whole square. When we'll put y is equal to 7, 198 minus 2 into 7 square, 498 minus 98, that will be 400 is a square. And when we put y equals to 11, 498 minus 2 into 11 square, 242, we get 256, which is a perfect square. So y has two values, 7 and 11. Now substituting, in the equation given, we get x is equals to 11 and 7. Or this is a symmetric equation with xy, x can be 7 and 11. So the solution of 9x square plus y square plus 1 plus 2 times of 3xy plus 2 equals to 2005 has two solutions. xy equals to 7, 11 and 11, 7. Thank you for watching.